Hello guys, as you can see right now I'm working on the dashboard and the A pillar, and I found that there is a rattle here, rattle noise, this piece here. It's very loose. So what I did found that it works is to put this piece of foam underneath on both sides. Just try to put it in there like that, and then do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna need both hands to do this. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, I finished this part. I put the foam on both sides. So now this piece, it doesn't make any noise. There is no rattle noise there. This is the bracket that holds the column cover that goes in here. And then if you have anything else that is loose, go ahead and check everything just to make sure that nothing is gonna be making any extra noise. I'm gonna show you what I did on the column on the driver's side. Okay, so here on the driver's side, I did the same thing. I put this foam in there. It has glue on both sides, so it's gonna stay there. It's not gonna do anything. Let me focus right there, yeah. And then you see this wire, this black cable, that comes from my dash cam that is there. So I run the wire underneath this frame, and then I secure it to this, because before I didn't secure it. I just thought that it was okay, but I think that was also making noise. So now you see that I put those plastic ties over there all the way down, so no cables are loose. Everything is going to be secure, no making noise. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do in my next video is to disassemble the speaker cover that is all one piece. I'm going to remove that and check what is in there.